How's it going, folks? Voodoo Stache here. Today what I'd like to take a look at is how to perform an isometric overhead press. So we're going to go this from the landmine position. And the goal of these isometric holds is you go to the bottom part, the end range of motion, and you work on bracing, and you work on pressing through all 5 of those gears. So I'm going to load up the weight, just so that's going to be challenging for me, so that I'm going to be unable to move. So I'm going to get here, those hips are nice and level. Let's go over that. So make sure those hips are nice and level. If you look at me from the side, your shoulder, hip, knee should be nice and stacked up. Toes are working, butt cheek is working, knee is in line with the hip. From this position here, I'm going to get to the very bottom here, and I'm going to go through all 5 of my gears, slowly increasing the tension as we go. So I'm here. I don't want this thing sitting down here below my shoulder, so I'm going to hold that thing up a bit. So no focus on being still, that ribcage staying down. I'm going to push into that bar a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm thinking about pushing from this lat here, driving that thing up. I'll hold in that position for whatever the prescribed amount of time is. Your goal is to create more neural drive to get those muscles to turn that would eventually press that weight up. So as you go up in gear, you're going up in tension, but that bar should be staying still. It should be something that you cannot move up. So again, any questions on that, don't hesitate to reach out.